Hi guys, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is video number 24 for learning MEM system in Django with React.js. In this video, we are going to create our course list page. In this page, we will fetch all the courses, okay, from the descending order, like from the uploaded date, and then we will show the according to the descending order. Okay. Next, in this video, what I am going to do next, we will create the category list page. So suppose when we click on this teacher link in the course detail, then we click here, we have a skills PHP, Python, JavaScript. So when we click on this PHP or Python or JavaScript, then this will show the list of the courses according to the category. Okay, so in this video we are going to do these two things. Okay, so in the last video we have created our popular courses list and teacher list page. Okay, so let's start this video and create our discuss the thing in this section. Okay, so first of all we need to create this courses page. So I'll just copy the latest course page. Okay, so here we have all courses. It is saying all courses. Okay, so actually it should be we have all courses, so we can do one thing. We can just link this course to all courses. We don't need to create all course page, but we can link this all courses. So just open our header. So where is the header? Yeah, we have here is the header. Okay, now we will just link this. So here we have home, login, and we need to link on the courses. So home, login, where to find this? Here we have. Okay, so we just need to define the link. So here we are importing from the React Router DOM. I'll just copy this and paste it here. Okay, and in this here we will define to, and then we will define what is the router name. So we have defined all of our router in the main.js file. So I'll just go to, this is the router name, all courses. Okay, so just copy here, define this slash. This slash belongs to root. Okay, so now let's go to here and just we have refreshed the page, and we have here we have a courses. So when we click on this, it will show all the courses. Okay, so this will be show according to the descending order. Okay, so we have completed this of our this section. Now let's go to category list. Okay, so this will be the same just as a latest course, but it will according to the specific category, but the layout will be same. Okay, so what we are going to do, just go to all courses and copy this. Just copy this, what it is doing. Okay, we can't do this section when we are opening the file. So just we need to all courses, copy paste here, just rename this. I will say category courses. Okay, so I just copy this name because we need this name. Okay, so now we will paste here the name and here as well. Okay, and now let's go to our category courses. Okay, or we can say just simple PHP courses. Okay, PHP courses, or we can say, or more we can do web development courses. Okay, so this will be the title, and let's now import this category courses in our main file. Okay, so this will be category courses, and here it will be category courses. Okay, and now let's define this category, and here we will define category slash, and this will be let's say category slug. Okay, and here but it will be specific category courses. Okay, because we will pass this category name dynamically, and this will be slug. Okay, so this will be a slug I will explain you that what is the slug in the URL. Okay, so let's define this in our teacher detail page. So I will open our teacher, and here we have a teacher course. What its name? Let's say popular teacher detail.js. Okay, now we need to define here the link. So this will be category, and this will be the name of the course. Okay, similarly we will do this for this all. Okay, now let's so now let's go to our home page, and I'll go to any of the course and go to the teacher one, and here we have a category. When we click on this PHP, then it will show the category, show the courses according to the category, but it is not showing any image. So let's see why it is not showing any image. So here we have this category courses, and we are loading from the same source. So why it is not loading the image? Let's see in the console. So it is saying waiting for the, just look at this, and python.png. so let's say it will be logo 512, and let's say okay, so it is not loading the image. Category courses detail 1, and this, if I'll say slash, then what it will do? Okay, then it will load the image. Okay, so I don't understand this thing, that why it is not loading the python.png without the slash, because all of our pages are loading the image without the slash, but it is not. Okay, so we will I will try to rectify this, and if you have any idea, then you can also try to rectify this. Okay, so why I'm doing this one by one, let's find and replace the things. Okay, actually we need to do this thing, because if we find and replace python.png, we don't need this. Okay, so we have done this. Okay, actually so we have done this. Okay, so we have created all of our pages. If we go to the courses, then here we will course list. If we go any course detail, then it will show the course detail, and if we click on this any of the course, then it will show the video of that course. If we click on this teacher one, then it will show the teacher detail with all of his courses. Okay, and of course when we click on this course, then again it will redirect to the course detail page, and these are the category page. When we click on this Python, then it will show the category list page. Okay, and this will of course redirect to the category detail page. So I think I have created all of the pages. If anything I have missed, then we will create along with the series. Okay, along with the upcoming videos. Now in the next video, I am going to start the Django API, and we will fill the data according to the API, and now we will start working with databases and all the things. Okay, so I hope you have created all the layouts. If not, then please create the layout, watch the videos. Okay, so this is 24th video, and I say from 8th video, from the 8th video I have started to creating the layout, and now this is 24 video. So this is I think 16 video. In these 16 videos I have created the only layouts. Okay, now in the from the 25th video I am going to start the API, Django REST framework. Okay, so I will request you to please appreciate my work. Please support me on via Razorpay or PayPal, and just give me your email ID. I will give you access to the code via my private GitHub repo. Okay, just you can support me via any of the, just very normal, very simple, very minimum, whatever you can do, just support me. Okay, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this series. If you have any question, any doubt, then please add in the comment section. and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.